Yo, what's up? This is Gab, and you are now watching Gala ni Gab. So, here are 6 tips on how to make travel video on an iPhone. Tip number 1. Always shoot on manual mode. Kasi yung native camera ng iPhone is always on automatic. Pero there are applications that allows you to shoot manual mode. There are 2 apps that I recommend. Number 1 is Filmic Pro. It allows you to shoot your videos manually. Pwede mo ma-adjust yung exposure, yung white balance, yung ISO, lahat ng kailangan mong adjust sa DSLR, pwede mong gawin sa iPhone. Number 2 I recommend is Zyup app. Unless you have the stabilizer, you can use the app to shoot manually and it is free. You should always double the shutter speed based on your frame rate. Kapag 120 FPS sinushoot mo, dapat ang shutter speed mo ay nasa 240. Tip number 2. It's always good to use a stabilizer. So it allows you to capture smooth movement with this one. So sa mga beginner, hindi naman kailangan na stabilizer agad. Pero ito yung dahilan kung bakit nakakagawa ako ng smooth cinematic shots. Para sa mga beginner, pwede kayong magsimula sa Gorilla Pad. Parehas lang sila except this one is motorized and this one parang stick lang siya. But if you have the budget, upgrade to a stabilizer will be the best option and will give you the best results. Ito yung video na walang stabilizer. Ito yung video na may stabilizer. Number 3. Composition is everything. Always remember, wala yan sa equipment. Lagi yan nasa gumagamit. Hindi ibig sabihin na may DSLR ka, you can get the best out of it. Since you don't have the best equipment, you can always use the composition to get a better shot. That leads me to number 4. Number 4. Always plan your shoots. Kapag gagamit ka ng panning shots or transition, dapat naka-planned na para hindi ka mahirapan sa editing. Tip number 5. I always recommend you to shoot on a daylight kasi since hindi tayo naka-DSLR, to get the best out of your phone, always shoot on the lowest ISO possible. Tip number 6. Unless you're a vlogger na madalas kang sa harap ng camera nagsasalita, I always recommend you to use your back camera. So a bonus tip. Number 7. Use camera movements. Basta yung dalawang shots na quick pan na pakaliwa or pakanan, pwede mo siya pagdugtungin. So, since may gimbal or stabilizer ka, you can use smooth movements from left to right, right to left, down to up, or from up to down. It's always good to use a revealing shot sa mga travel video. Lahat ng travel video ko sa YouTube is shot on my iPhone 6s. And except this one is shot on my DSLR camera with a tripod. Mas prefer kong gamitin ng iPhone because I'm a minimalist traveler. I don't like packing heavy stuff unless kailangan ko. I bring my Canon 5D and a 50mm lens is enough for photos, but with videos I need to bring a stabilizer. Kaya din iPhone 6s ang gamit ko pang video. Number 1 reason is mas cheaper yung stabilizer niya compare sa DSLR and yun lang yung afford ko for now. Number 2 is mas magaan yung stabilizer ng iPhone, mas madali siya i-travel. Yung stabilizer or gimbal ng DSLR cost around 30k, maybe pinakamababa na 22k. Yung stabilizer na iPhone costs around 5 to 7k. So, yun lang yung abot ng budget ko. And ito yung pinag-ipunan ko ng matagal para talaga sa travel videos ko. So, if you're dedicated, mas recommend ko na mag-stabilizer ng DSLR. But, if you're a person who travels a lot and ayaw na madaming gamit or mabigat, I always recommend using your phone and a stabilizer on the go so you can shoot whatever you want and hindi ka mapapagod kada dala. Every video from my channel will be shot on iPhone 6s. You can support me by watching my videos on my channel. It will be greatly appreciated and stick around for more travel videos. This is Gab and this is Gala ni Gab. Thank you so much for watching. Peace out.